Alright guys, we're out here again, following up on a spot, following up on a place where I kind of just went in a different direction, checking things out. I'm gonna follow these historic rubs to some scrapes I found, see if they're opened up. They are. We'll probably just sit there for the evening. It's, let me see what time it is. 4:26 now. So we don't have much time, but 3 or 4 hours before dark. About 3. It's been getting dark about 7:30, last light anyway. So let's go look at them and see what happens. Let's see what they look like before we determine. If not, then there's acorns on the ground too. So if they're open, we'll probably sit there. If not, we're gonna go to a point where this rise it dips down the other side over there, where it points into a swamp edge where I sat. So we'll see what happens. Well, we came up here another 50 yards where these scrapes are, and it looks like they've been worked and worked. So this one, and then this one kind of rubs around this tree. So we're gonna find a place. We're gonna find a place to set up 20-25 yards from these things. Just see what happens. We're not too far from the trail, but we're in a direction that most people wouldn't go because normally these swamps are flooded. I seen a little rise on the top of that kind of cut in between them, so I came up here the other day and looked. The scrapes weren't even this worked when I was up here the other day, so maybe something triggered something. Weather, timing, who knows, moon. Even though all studies show that the moon phase doesn't affect deer movement, but you don't know what's going on in them animals' bodies. So let's find a place and set up. No need to go any further. Kind of be foolish too. We're kind of at the top of a hill, so I might back down a little bit so if it cools in the evening, the thermals, yes, thermals in Florida, will pull back down towards the direction I came up here. Try to get off over to the right a little bit because it's doing that as well. Let's see if I can get you in here to closer. Scraped up. herd of turkeys, flock of turkeys, come working around me not too long ago. About 5 minutes ago, I just had a doe. She come running up. Right there, by that tree, about 15 yards. She didn't know what I was. She didn't scare. She just turned around and went back the way she came. Over here's a rise. She went to that rise and just kept on moving. It's getting to be 6 o'clock, so hopefully that means things are on their feet. Fingers crossed. I believe that's the same doe that just came up here beside us. Banana spider. Put this thing down. Never know what's about to happen. Well, that evening,
It got dark. A couple bucks came in from the left. One was small, one was decent. The small one was close, but the decent one was further away. None of them were in bow range. As it got dark, you could hear them, you know, traipsing around behind me where those turkeys and stuff were. So I scraped the ground and shook a branch, and off to the other direction, you could hear branches popping and stuff. So I thought I was going to get one to come in there at last light, but nothing did. But you don't know if you don't go. Real man shiz. Come on, guys. Thanks for watching. There'll be more. Peace.